Hey everybody, got another unboxing video for you. Just the other day, I got an email from Centerfire Systems and they got a bunch of these Enfield No.1 MKlll SMLE drill rifles in. $109, which includes shipping. So I was just like, well, now's the time. So I've been thinking about buying one of these for a couple of years now. And I thought, well, since shipping's included, to go ahead and sign up for one. And they were fast at getting it to me. I just got it today, and I ordered it, I think, Tuesday or Wednesday. So it's really quick turnaround. I think I've ordered from them before. They're really quick. But anyway, this is the SMLE, which stands for Short Magazine Lee Enfield. Those were primarily used during World War I. Served as the main firearm of the British Empire and the Commonwealth for the first half of the 20th century, about 1895, and its early adoption until 1957. So these are supposed to be in okay shape. You know, it's going to have a little rust, some cracks on the buttstock. In the description, a lot of cosmoline, potential rust, but everything's supposed to be all intact. And pull them out of the box now. Have it nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. I do have a Mark 1 No. 3, a No. 1 Mark 3 rifle, not drill, but the real thing, that I got from Royal Tiger Imports a couple of years back. I think I have the video actually on my channel. Still have yet to clean it up. A little behind on cleaning up rifles, but this is nice. There's a little nick here in the stock, but this is nice looking stock. Yep, it's covered in cosmoline, well protected. There is a date here, and it is, well, this is not a World War I or II era rifle. Looks like it's dated 1959. Huh. Well, it doesn't matter. I mean, I'm just got this for the sake of having one, since this day and age it's kind of hard to find cheap military surplus, and this is about as cheap as it gets. So thought I'd jump on it, you know, $100. But anyway, I'll give you a closer look. As you can see, it's not in bad shape, actually. I like the fact that it has the stripe here. Some of them don't have that. I was hoping that I'd have one with the stripe. There's that. That must have been and when I was in the box with all the other rifles, when I got nicked around. I could darken that with some linseed oil. And you can see right here, I don't know if you would be able to see that in the video, but the date there, 1959. I was hoping it'd be older, but it's okay. Let's go ahead and flip it around. Oh, I didn't clear the chamber here, even though it is. Let's see if I can do this. I don't have my assistant today, so bear with me. So it's clear. Actually, there's a rod that runs right through the chamber there, so you cannot put a bullet in there. You can see there's a... Let me go ahead and flip this over so you can see the rest of this. Should clean it pretty nicely. Yeah, a little bit of history here. What these young soldiers trained with before going off to war or going off to some area of the Commonwealth to provide security and to defend the Commonwealth against intrusion. That's pretty neat. You can see there's a DP there. That means drill purpose. There are 2 drill purpose labels, and then the bolt actually also has a drill purpose label. And supposedly the bolt is actually a working bolt with a firing pin. I have not checked this one yet, but that's what it was described as being. Looks like the sight is fully intact. The rear sight and the front sight. So, should be a nice project to clean up. And while I'm cleaning up this one, I'll go ahead and get out the other one that I have and clean it up as well. But that's pretty much it. And appreciate you all watching. Thank you for your support. Well, have a great day.